Hello, this is Sierra and welcome to another video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. Originally when I recorded this video, it didn't record the audio, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's going on and what I'm doing based on what's going on in the video. And so basically, I decided to do a little role play, playing as Hit the Target, while Vocal, one of friend who I was joined with, played the role of Stampy, and the story is basically Hit the Target and Stampy trying to defeat each other but aren't able to because, well, they just respawn over and over and over in this like minigame map. It's never ending. You cannot escape it, no matter what you try to do. No matter what. Like, I might try to do a little voiceover. Let's see how this works. Let's have some fun. Here we are in the world. He's exploring like what's going on. Oh no, Stampy's here. I have to run. I have to fight him. I have to stop him. And yeah, of course I get killed. But magic! I respawn. Hit Stampy a couple times. Dodge him. Grab the blade and try to get him again. Of course, I'm not that great at combat. Of course, neither is Hit the Target. And so, yeah. And don't worry about the name tags. Just for fun. And yep, we get that glitch again. And I stole Stampy's sword. Now he has to try to find it. And he decides to try to escape. But I'm just like, nope, you're not getting away from me this time, Stampy. And then, yeah, I give him a chance to... I actually help him out a little bit. So I let him get through that one time. Yeah. And then I'm just like, run through. Try to stop him. Give him a chance to try to get me. And I'm just like, overpowering. It's so fun. Like, I think I can win. But no. No! He comes back to attack. And I'm just like, oh great. He's lagging a little bit. Lagging a little bit. Should I hit him? Should I hit him? Nope. Nope. He's good. He's good. And there we go. We're having another attack. I'm dodging him. I'm dodging. And it's Stampy had the smart idea to use the command block. And I was like, oh, what's this? Oh, here we are. Oh no, there's Stampy. And he killed me. And he did not steal my sword because I got my sword back. And now we again. It's a never-ending cycle. Go round and round and round and round. And yeah, basically, I keep killing him and they steal his sword so he cannot stop me. And once again, he's dabbing. And then he tries to go into the find the button minigame. And like I punch him a little bit to help him. So I mean, like, what are you doing, Mr. Stampy Cat? It's like, oh no, he disappeared. What happened? Where could he have gone? Where is he? I don't know where he is. Like, oh, what's this? Oh, here. Okay. Yeah. It's like, oh, alright. He fell to his doom, I'll fall to my doom. Pretty much. Yep. And here we are, back in here. I'm just like, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my. Oh my. Yeah. Originally, there was supposed to be audio for this, but it didn't record. And I'm just like, Stampy's attacking. He's like, now I got you, Mr. Stampy Cat. I murdered you. Oh yeah, that's definitely how accurate it is. Its target is winning a lot more Stampy is, to be fair. But this is what Hit the Target's mind is like. I will stop you! I will stop you no matter what it takes! Yep. Stampy's just too clever. He just, nope. I'm not gonna walk through. Oh, I'm gonna walk through now. Yeah. I'm gonna try to touch it. They're just like, nope. You're done for. Vocal had a lot of fun with this one. Just like, haha. I had a lot of voice acting, but of course, here, I was just like, going all in. I'm just like, I have all your swords now. You cannot use them. And then I end up getting an inventory full of swords, so there's that. And I just like, ha ha ha! I will finally stop you, Mr. Stampy Cat. You can't win forever. Well, yeah. Apparently, no one will win, no one will lose. The other, they can't destroy each other. They need each other, you may say. Yeah. And he fell out of the world. And I'm just like, oh, great. 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 Of course, I don't have the gamer tags off. I didn't want gamer tags off, so yeah. I don't really care. It was just for fun. Just so you know, I don't actually have Stampy in here. I just have a player dressed as Stampy, just having a little fun. Of course. The Stampy has the bright idea to do that to me. It was the nearest player. You need to forward it to the nearest player, which was happened to be me. And now it's thundering and lightning. Well, it will be thundering and lightning. And then I'm like, where did you go, Mr. Stampy Cat? So he must have escaped. Where could he have gone? It's like, you... and I'm just like, get back here. I'm just like, I want to beat you. Like, I've already said that before. She's like, ah, yes. And then, yeah, Goku does a lot of other stuff. It's fun. Basically, he's coming back with a sword. And he's like, I'm just gonna sit here. Just gonna sit here and wait. Just gonna sit here and wait. Gonna wait for you. Yep. I'm not gonna do anything. This should be easy, right? And I'm just like, where is that coming from? He's like, he's right there. Like, ah. I get it before you could press the button to escape. This should be easy, right? Oh, how convenient. That's why I have to target things all the time. That's why I do things all the time. It should be easy. This should be easy, right? No, it's not easy. I am coming for you! Yeah! Yeah. It's just fun. I'm just like, where are you gonna come from, Stampy Cat? Where are you gonna come from? Where are you gonna come from? And he's like, where are you? Where are you? I'm gonna take your swords. Yeah, no, I didn't take your swords. Ooh, it's thundering and lightning, which means it's my kind of weather. And then as soon as I say that, it turns back to anything else to say that. Of course, I don't actually say that. It's funnier when it's actually funny. I like, we go round and round in circles trying to destroy each other, but we never win. No one wins, no one loses. We just keep coming back. Just like the turkey keeps coming back. Stampy keeps coming back. Oh, yes. It's a never-ending cycle. They haunt each other. Damn. I'm just like, he's a coward. He's a coward. Stampy is a coward. I just can't. He's so clever. It so matches Stampy's character very well. I just like get right to the door. Try and throw it. Yeah. And I'm like, ooh, great idea. And I personally get myself stuck trying to figure out how to get out. Purposely, because hit the target. He might not be that dumb, but he's dumb. Just like, get back here, Stampy Cat. Just like, where are you at? You're not here. Then he manages to sneak himself. It's like he knows. He's so smart. It's like a never-ending chase, as you can see, over and over and over and over. Playing into turkey was funny. I've done it before, but not like this. This was epic. This was fun. Here it is again. Just pure humor. It's just like, and I'm like, all your swords. They're all mine now. I'm gonna stop you. I'm like, I have a full inventory of swords. Like, I laugh about that because, yeah, that's humorous. I do have a full inventory of swords at my disposal. And I'm like, ha 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 ha! Stampy has trapped me in here. I'm not trapped. He's jumping again. It's a never-ending battle with me and the tiger. That is everything we have to be. I'm sorry. That's so funny. Oh, I'm like, there's a wandering trader in the background as well, and I'm just like, whatever. This is so much fun. Even without the audio, it's so fun. And I'm just like, oops. Just, here he comes. Once again. And I'm like, I'm not here. You can't escape me. Ha ha ha! I will stop you. Oh no, I'm trapped. I'm trapped in here. No! I'm trapped in here. Ah! That stuff could be like, haha, haha. And I'm like, get back here, you coward. And like, I ran after him, purposely failing the maze because, you know, I know exactly the route. I just purposely fail it, just as a humor, a gag, because that, you can see, I'm just like horribly bad at it, just for the sake of me. This is so much fun. I'm just like, how do I get through this maze? And like, purposely bad just to make fun of myself. To make fun of his attack. And then I'm just like, let's do it. You did it! You defeated it, or you didn't. Of course you didn't. So did I do it? Did I do it? Did I finally defeat him? I was like, oh, right, the rain's gone. The rain's gone. Now it's not at... I'm like, where did he go? Is it gone? Finally gone? Is she finally gone? That's the question, is he? Of course not. There he is. And he's doing the parkour, and I'm just like, nope. I was just like, nope, we're done. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for that video. But it was pretty fun. And, yeah, here's the thumbnail that I decided. I got a little thumbnail with my friend there. Because it's a target, like, yeah. It was very fun to do. I hope the audio works. And, yeah, my little reaction is a little fun. Like, I can find one thing funny, but you guys might not. So, this is definitely interesting. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to do more, be sure to leave a like and comment down below. Yeah. And it's... like, I doubt Stampy will ever see this. But if he does, yeah. It's definitely a parody of everything. Like, they can never be rid of each other. They can never be ended. It's like, it's always gonna be there until Stampy finally ends. Like, once its target is finally stopped, yeah. But is it? Is he really going to be stopped? Or is he just going to find some other way to take over the world? Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!